Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're going to be planting this garden. Ellie and I have been out here a couple of times this last week since we've been home, and we've planted three pretty long rows of potatoes, and that was the main thing I wanted to get in. So we're going to do let's see, bush beans and onions today. And so this right here, I don't know if you can see this line is kind of our little area. It's not a huge garden, but I think we're going to add to it. D2S Dad has been putting a lot of bark down, and he's going to go big. So he's going to do a lot of gardening, and we're going to try to go probably a little bigger than this, what we originally planned, just because of this, situation. So we're going to try to do a little bit more than normal. Or actually, we're just going to try to go way more than we thought we were going to do. This started out as just going to be like a fun thing for the kids, but with everything that's going on, we're going to try to go a little bit bigger. So started out here. He's going to probably do pumpkins and some fun stuff over here. And then he's got little gardens planted all over the place. Plus back there, he's got a pretty big one. So we're going to do a couple more rows of food here. And then over the weekend, I'm probably going to have to add some more bark and expand this a little bit. So we're going to get started here and get going on it. All right, so I'm going to need your help moving this over to the next row. Help you over. Probably about a little bit more that way. That's it. Perfect. So we're going to just try to trough it out.
So this is poop.
Yep.
So this is like poop.
Okay, so I'm going to fill this little area up.
You're not. This time we're making lines.
Yeah.
Oh, because it's easier.
Yeah, it's not the best, but that's what we got.
We can put.
So we got the space. How many seeds do you look like we have?
Was that too
Oh,
bad?
then do it, yeah. You think you got enough.
Yeah.
Poke little holes.
How about I
for 'em.
poke the holes
Yeah,
and
poke
you
the holes
put the
and have
seeds in? Maybe.
Okay.
Yeah.
The poop.
Okay,
The poop. I get the big seed.
Maddie. Uh-oh.
What's she doing?
She dropped the seed.
Oh, that's all right.
Okay, Maddie.
She got. Okay.
I'll make holes so you guys will know where
Wait.
my things are, okay?
Okay. I'm gonna make little holes here for you, okay? And then we're gonna drop in. What I wanted to do, what I think we should do is just drop the seeds in and then cover them up at the end so we know where they're at.
Hey, Ellie.
Do this. This. That good?
Yeah. Okay, now put the seeds in the holes. Each hole gets a seed. You bag.
No, they're gonna be green beans.
Green beans.
How far do you got?
Lots. Still.
Lots.
Are they going to
think
be
just
like little tiny green beans?
Yeah.
Oh.
You think we should do another row?
Depends. Let's wait till we get to the end.
Let's do
and see where
let's
we
do
are.
the onions first so we can get them out of that thing.
Yeah. That's
I
not
don't want to ruin those, They're really nice. Those are going to be like those Walla Wallas. Good job, you two.
I got two.
You got two?
Oh.
Is it double?
We don't want to put two in there.
It's a double.
Yeah, we'll take one out.
Man, that's pretty good. Why are we growing a garden this year? Huh?
Did I get it? Oh, it's in there. You can't see it. It's underneath the dirt. So the dirt kind of falls on top of some of them.
You still see the holes?
Yeah.
Cool.
Okay, that one, Maddie, is
Mommy, we're really far away.
Doing good. You're over halfway there.
We're gonna need more. We're gonna need more seeds.
What is
Do you want to go get the other?
How you doing, Maddie? You miss any? Are you good? Looks like you're doing good.
Well,
You missed a hole right there.
You missed one.
I
There, we got more. What?
There's more. Don't
A
worry.
whole bunch.
last one is for me.
You missed one. You missed one? Oh, you got him. Good job. Good job. Don't step on it, Maddie. Maddie, don't step on the holes. There's Maddie.
Okay,
Maddie's doing good planting. Ellie's
here.
loves it.
This is the next one right here.
Why are we going big this year, Mrs. D?
Because our kids love green beans so much. No. Couldn't even get them to take a bite of green beans.
Oh my.
Why are we going big?
Quarantine.
Quarantine. There's no answer. Right answer. There's nothing else to do.
Don't get two.
This is how we get out of our house.
That's how we get out of our house.
We
Well,
come
it's
over
true.
here and do this. So.
Right? And we might need the food this year. We spent
why don't
10
I
years
do
learning how to garden, right? At the old place, right?
Because
I
you
mean,
keep
we,
getting
had, we used to have a huge garden until we
Oh,
had
yeah.
kids. And now they're old enough to kind of help.
We had too much food. We had to give it away.
We had so much. We grew so much food in that little plot. What are you two doing?
turn.
Oh no.
Your turn.
Oh, that's good sharing. Wow.
Nope.
Good job.
I think she skipped that
Did
one.
you skip a hole?
That one.
There you go. Nice work. Good job.
A lot of work, isn't
A lot
it?
of work putting that seed in there. Ellie's
Too
going fast.
long.
Here.
So Ellie, the other day when you raced me at Grandma and Grandpa's house, who won?
Me.
You did?
Yeah.
Yeah, Ellie's getting fast.
Not today.
Huh? I'm not gonna race you anymore. I pulled a bunch of muscles.
Where are you going, Maddie?
Yeah, where'd you go? You're wild. Whoa.
Okay, last one. For me.
More for you.
We'll grow more.
Yeah. There's that much left.
Yeah.
Maybe we'll just make a little plot at some point, or
Yeah, this could be a backup. The backup seeds.
yeah. I mean, we might have to like actually till something up to make a real garden. This is supposed to work
Careful.
really good. So now we have to cover them over.
Now I gotta cover them.
Want to show them how to cover? Let's just lightly cover. Yeah. Ellie knows how to do it. She's doing it right now. Good job, Ellie. Just lightly cover them, okay? All those holes we got to cover.